Hello, my name is Carly Ketraside. I am the creator of CADS. We are a digital marketing company, so I was just doing some research and I came across your site. I just wanted to make a quick little video. I don't want to waste your time or mine. Just going over a few quick tips that you can do to help outrank your competition online. So 3 things. We will go over content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically, I have your page pulled up here. Content is anything on this front page. So it's all the words, all the photos, everything like that. So while ranking on Google, they like to see about 12 to 1,500 words on here. So one thing I would recommend is adding a little bit more content, maybe with some keywords that you guys want to rank for. Another thing you can do for content is, let's see. So yeah, these photos are involved. One thing you can do is, let's see, save image as, okay, yeah. So you can actually go in and save these photos also as keywords that you want to rank for. So that is content. Let's see. Okay, next thing we can go over is citations. So citations has to do with this map pack here that you see right up at the top of Google. I did actually see you guys in the Chesterfield map pack, so you guys were pretty high up there, so good job on that. St. Louis, I don't think you guys were on until about the 3rd-ish page, but there's a few things you can do to rank up there. So basically your citations, that is your name, address, and phone number listed on any online directory. So one thing you can do is there's a tool called Whitespark, and it will actually show you all of the places, all of the directories that your competition is ranked at. So one thing you can do is go in, make sure you get all of your information in the same places that they have it. And then if you want to outrank, obviously you need a few more places as well. But you guys are pretty good on that in Chesterfield, so good job there. Next thing we can go over is backlinks. So backlinks has to do with this organic ranking information down in here. So one person I pulled up was this Wedding Wonderland. So let's see. So here's their front page. As you can see, there's not as much content on here, but that has to do with the backlinks. So there is a tool called Ahrefs. I pulled you guys up over here. So basically you're referring domains. So what a backlink is, well, what a referring domain is a website that is referring back to another website that has your information in it. So that is the backlink. So basically it looks like you guys have 22 referring domains that is linking back to your site 37 times. So if you go over here to your competition, I pulled them up as well. They have 186. So that's why they're ranking up so much higher. Another thing you can do is similar to the citations, come in here and basically just make sure that you are getting all of your information in these same places that they are. And then again, if you want to outrank them, you don't only want to just get it in the same places, but you want to get it in a few more as well. So yeah, just a few quick things there. And so not all backlinks are created equal. That's a little bit of depth there, but yeah. So just a few quick tips that you guys can either use yourself. You can reach out to me if you would like to work together. I would love to hear from you. There's plenty of things that we can do. Yeah, otherwise, no worries, and you can at least take these tips and use them for yourself. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you for your time.